Hi, welcome to Donald's Driving Tips. Today I'd like to demonstrate how to turn your steering wheel correctly into junctions. When I'm teaching pupils to drive, a lot of the time you find the way they turn is quick movements like this, or they're crossing their hands, and invariably when they're doing either of these, they don't have a sense of their turn and their position, and they will usually either cut the corner or swing wide. So I would like to demonstrate how to correctly turn the car and the steering wheel into a junction. If we look at the steering wheel as a clock, where we have 12 o'clock and we have 6 o'clock, my hand position is about 2:45, so my hands are comfortably resting on the steering wheel. Okay, initially I'm going to just slide my hands up and down without turning the steering wheel, just to get a sense of the wheel. They're very light, okay, but it's very important that we learn how to keep our hands in touch with the steering wheel while we turn. If you notice my thumb positions, they're on the front of the steering wheel. They're not where my thumb is wrapped around it or where my thumb is over it. Because most of your energy and power is coming from your thumb and your index finger, so making it a lot easier to turn the wheel. On average, it will take approximately 3/4 of a turning of a steering wheel to turn your car into a junction. If you look at the steering wheel and say, there's a quarter, there's a half, and there's 3/4. So we're looking to achieve that turn in as little movements as possible. And that is achieved by using the pushing and pulling technique. How we do this is having the hands on the steering wheel, on approaching a junction, bringing your hands up towards 12, as it's always easier to pull down on the wheel than push up on the wheel. With my right hand, I'm going to turn the wheel to my right, remembering the left hand is just loose on the wheel, so as my right hand goes to the right, the left hand is just sliding like we were previously demonstrating. So pulling down with my right hand, getting around to 6 o'clock, where then my left hand pushes up to 12, my right hand pulls down, my left hand pushes up. We're going to reverse the process. My left hand will pull down, my right hand will push up. And again, we're not allowed to cross our hands, so our hands are always meeting at the top and bottom of the arrow and giving the wheel over to each other. So I'm going to bring it back to the center, and again we're going to look at approaching the junction. Okay, so I'm going to move my hands up to top of the hour, or 12 o'clock. Okay, and we're looking to achieve 3/4 of a turn. So with my right hand I shall pull down, left hand pushes up, and as you can see we've achieved 3/4 of a turn comfortably with 2 hand maneuvers. Okay, then we're going to reverse the process, left hand down, right hand up, and there you have it. It'll take a little bit of practice and getting used to, but once your hands get a sense and feel of the wheel, what it does is it allows you to look further afield and to observe a little bit more as you're turning. I hope you enjoyed and benefited from my tutorial today. Thank you.